What up, everybody? Join me while I unbox the Hisense 55-inch E7K Smart TV. I bought this on Takealot during Black Friday for 6,400 and now it retails for 7,000 Rand. I underestimated how bulky it is to unbox the TV, so I had to call in some reinforcements. In the box, it includes the remote as well as some screws for the leg stands and some paperwork, the warranty card and the instruction manual. We also get two AAA batteries as well as the power cord. It has 4K resolution and uses Vida Voice for voice commands on the remote. It also has very slim borders around the TV and a slightly bigger chin at the bottom. I wanted to mount the TV on the wall, but because of the very short power cable, it doesn't reach the electric sockets on the wall, so for now it will just have to be on the TV stand. And that's the unboxing of the Hisense 55-inch E7K Smart TV.